Hello everybody. Okay, we're going to look at two different objects today. One's M25 and the other one's M28. They're two clusters of stars located in the constellation Sagittarius. M25 is an open star cluster, M28 is a globular cluster. M25 is an open star cluster, or otherwise known as IC 4725. Open star clusters are stars that have just been fairly newly formed out of the same dust and gas cloud, and most of them will eventually separate and go off in their merry way. This one's about 2,000 light years away. It's about 13 light years across, and is about 67.6 million years old. And that's fairly young for stars. Stars tend to last billions of years, so. And it has about 1,937 solar masses of material in it. It also has a Cepheid variable star. A Cepheid variable is a type of star that's going from the main sequence stars over to a giant phase star, and the period of what the star does is it changes radius over time, usually between 1 and 10 days. And if you know the period and there's a relationship between the period and the brightness, you can actually figure out how far away an object is using Cepheid variables, and this is one of the ways that they find out how far galaxies are. Okay, now we're going to go look at M28. So we'll zoom out here, and M25 is up in this kind of no man's land between Sagittarius and Scrotum. It's kind of near the Sagittarius star cloud, which we looked at in a different video. So we'll go down here towards M28, and the good thing is Sagittarius is starting to be up during the early morning. It kind of also means it's going to come spring and summer soon. So here we go, M28. It's an open star cluster. Not an open star, globular cluster. It's otherwise known as NGC 6626. It has 551,000 solar masses of material in it, and it's about 12 billion years old. And you notice that's a huge difference between the other one, which is only about 70 million years old. And it's a distance of about 18.26 thousand light years away. So 18,260 light years away, and has a radius of about 30 light years. And it actually has a millisecond pulsar. Pulsar is a neutron star. A neutron star is a star that's it's a remnant of a star that blew up and created a neutron star. It's usually a lot massier than the sun, probably around 5 solar masses. The core is about 1.4 to 2.8 or 3 solar masses of material, and it creates these spinning stars, and you can hear a radio click out of them. And this one spins so fast that it does it around 1,000 times a second or more. Okay, we'll kind of show you where this is. It's just above the top of the teapot in Sagittarius. Okay, and you can see over here we have, this was paused for earlier in the morning. So okay, and then over to one side you have Scorpio to Sagittarius, and you notice there's a lot of globular clusters in this area. This is typically towards the center of the galaxy, so a lot of these globular clusters are around the center of the galaxy. Okay, I hope everybody has a good day, and goodbye, and see you next time.